Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a spicy topic that's sure to heat things up in your love life. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the incredible benefits of cayenne pepper and how it can add a dash of excitement to your sexual wellness journey. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our hot content. Let's jump right in. Segment 1. The Aphrodisiac Magic. Did you know that cayenne pepper has been hailed as a natural aphrodisiac for centuries? It contains a compound called capsaicin, which not only adds a kick to your favorite dishes but also stimulates the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can boost your mood and enhance your libido. So, if you're looking to spice things up in the bedroom, cayenne pepper might just be the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Segment 2. Improved blood flow. But that's not all. Cayenne pepper is a circulation superstar. The capsaicin in cayenne helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body. And you know what that means, right? Better blood flow can lead to increased sensitivity and, well, heightened pleasure. It's like nature's own little passion pump. Segment 3. Energy boost for stamina. Need an energy boost to keep the passion alive? Cayenne pepper's got your back. It's known to increase energy levels and endurance, which can contribute to better stamina in the bedroom. So, if you're looking to turn up the heat and go the distance, consider adding a pinch of cayenne to your daily routine. Segment 4. DIY Spice Infused Treats. Now, let's get practical. Incorporating cayenne into your diet can be both delicious and fun. How about trying a spicy chocolate dessert or a cayenne-infused cocktail? Additional advantages of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper offers numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Regardless of the quantity consumed, cayenne pepper provides a substantial amount of capsaicin and other capsaicinoids, which are key phytonutrients responsible for its pungent flavor. The overall advantages of incorporating cayenne pepper into your routine include: 1. Capsaicin, found in cayenne pepper, is a common ingredient in weight loss supplements due to its thermogenic properties, promoting increased energy expenditure. 2. Consumption of cayenne accelerates metabolism, leading to a heightened sense of fullness and satisfaction, which can aid in weight management. 3. Topical applications of cayenne may alleviate pain by impeding the transport of substance P in nerve cells, providing relief from discomfort. 4. Cayenne pepper can be taken orally to help alleviate chronic pain syndromes. However, it's essential to note that cayenne pepper is not suitable for everyone. Individuals with gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, are advised to avoid it. While some people with heartburn may experience relief after consuming cayenne pepper, it's prudent to consult your doctor if you have any uncertainties or concerns. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your diet. There are various ways to include cayenne pepper in your diet, with powder being a popular form for seasoning and supplementation. For those seeking the male and female enhancement benefits mentioned earlier, here are several methods to integrate cayenne pepper into your routine. 1. Season your food. The simplest approach is to use cayenne powder as a spice to add flavor to your meals. 2. Incorporate fresh cayenne. Add fresh cayenne pepper to your beverages or sauces for a vibrant and natural kick. 3. Utilize dried cayenne. Grind dried cayenne pepper into powder form to use as a spice, providing a convenient and versatile option. 4. Consider supplements. If the spiciness of cayenne isn't your preference, you can opt for supplements or cayenne pepper in pill form to boost your intake without relying on spicy foods. Cayenne pepper is readily available in most supermarkets. For optimal benefits, especially when aiming for male and female enhancement, choosing fresh cayenne peppers over powders is recommended, as powders may sometimes contain additional ingredients. Whether dry or fresh, both forms are effective. A suggested starting point is half a tablespoon of cayenne powder, allowing you to gradually adjust the spice level to suit your taste preferences. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, the surprising benefits of cayenne pepper for a sizzling sex life. From its aphrodisiac qualities to improved blood flow and an energy boost for stamina, cayenne is your ticket to a more exciting and fulfilling intimate experience. If you enjoyed this spicy talk, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay spicy and stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.